Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Mexican mocha latte. Perfect for any cold weather, really easy to make. So let's take a look at the ingredients and let's get started.
Here I'm going to take 1 mug, and into this first I'm going to add is this powdered sugar. Then I'll add this cocoa powder into it. Then cinnamon powder. And the last but not least is chili powder. And now you just want to mix all these ingredients. Alright, so now I'm going to add coffee into this, and this is about 6 ounces like I said, but you can adjust according to your preference. If you like strong, you can add more or less. So I'm just going to pour my coffee into this cup.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
I think this much is enough. And then I'm going to add my steamed milk in it. And now give it a quick stir. Perfect. Our Mexican mocha latte is ready to enjoy, but just one thing is I'm just going to top it up with this whipped cream. Just my favorite. And just sprinkle a bit of cinnamon powder on it, just to decorate it. Perfect. So here is our Mexican mocha latte is ready to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.